Hello, this is John Osa at Irrigation Essentials, and thanks for watching. This short video is going to be about Marin Municipal Water District's Ordinance 414. Now, Ordinance 414 is in response to the Model Water Efficient Landscape Ordinance, the state's landscape ordinance. And much of the language in 414 is lifted directly from the Model Water Efficient Landscape Ordinance, and many of the requirements are installed directly into Ordinance 414. There is, however, one very significant difference that you need to know about. 414 has an ET adjustment factor of 0.6. And as you may know, the ETAF in the State Model Water Efficient Landscape Ordinance is 0.7. So MMWD's ordinance raises the bar. It is an adjustment factor that's approximately 15% more restrictive. This is very stringent and a real constraint on the amount of water that can ultimately be used on the landscape. Now, what does this mean to the landscape designer and the landscape contractor? The nitty-gritty is that it really boils down to three things. You need to have a low water use crop. You need to have an irrigation delivery at a high level of distribution uniformity. That's number two. And number three is the irrigation scheduling has to mimic plant water requirement. Now, for the designer, more specifically, the landscape planting must be predominantly low and moderate water use plants as defined by the WUCL's list. And the irrigation delivery system must be designed to deliver water at a high level of uniformity, which creates the opportunity for efficient irrigation scheduling. Now, to accompany this video, I created a table that shows two hypothetical landscapes, each 7,500 square feet. And click on the tab that says MMWD Water Use at Example Efficiencies just below the YouTube window on my homepage to get that table. It's in PDF and you can download it. One has 2,500 square feet of turf and the other landscape has 5,000 square feet of turf. And each landscape is calculated at 5 different levels of distribution uniformity so that you can see what that efficiency does. If you study these tables, they hope to inform the necessary and fundamental choices that you're going to have to make when designing or installing this landscape. These tables calculate water use, and they also have the associated billing rate that goes with that water use. Now, for a contractor, these tables point to an opportunity. If you can quantify how efficient an irrigation system is, they point to an opportunity if you can install a more efficient delivery system, a system that delivers a higher DU. And perhaps most important, if you can manage the irrigation schedules to mimic plant water requirement. Now, if there's a customer that has water use in Tier 3 or Tier 4 billing, those rates are such that there is a compelling numbers-driven reason to invest in upgrading system distribution uniformity. So for the contractors, feel free to download the table and use them to help sell an irrigation system efficiency upgrade. And as always, if you need some assistance in navigating Ordinance 414 and some of the requirements that Marin Municipal Water District has, please give us a call here at Irrigation Essentials. We'd be happy to help. The telephone number is 415-378-8404, or send me an email, john@irrigationessentials.com. Listen, thanks for watching.